Managing blood sugar isn't easy, but small changes can go far. Let's talk about 3 simple greens. They're easy to find, affordable, and gentle on your digestion. Plus, they taste pretty great. Number 1. Broccoli. First up, good old broccoli. You've probably had it before. But did you know it helps sugar? Broccoli has a special compound called sulforaphane. Hard to say, but great for your body. It fights inflammation and supports insulin. Try it steamed, roasted, or in soup. It's simple and filling too. Number 2. Spinach. Next is spinach. Soft and leafy. It's gentle on the stomach but rich in nutrients we need. Spinach is full of magnesium. That helps your insulin work better. A big win for blood sugar. Toss it into scrambled eggs or warm it with olive oil. Quick, easy, and very tasty. Number 3. Kale. And don't forget about kale. It's a little heartier than spinach but full of benefits too. Kale has fiber, iron, and vitamins. It helps you stay full longer and slows down sugar absorption. You can bake it into chips or add to hearty stews. It's more flexible than you think. These greens aren't a magic fix, but they sure help a lot. Little steps make big changes. Add 1 to your meals today. Your body will notice the difference. So will your blood sugar. You're not alone on this journey, and you're never too old to start. Eat well, stay strong. You've got this.